Hi everyone, the topic is procedure for creating web service. Now we are going to see the how to create simple web service. It is present by K. Abhinaya, 3rd CSC B section from Janssen Institute of Technology. Now we are going to the topic creating web service. The web service is creating in 4 steps. It is easy to understand. The first step is creating an application using the service tags can be hosted in the few ways: console application, Windows service, and AS web or MVC, etc. The steps 2 is install the service tag. The step 3 is create your first web service, and the final step is web service starting for the application. Now we are going to see the how to create web service from our system. Um, the the first step is access the new dialog. First we have to know the web service languages, so we have to select the languages. We can to need the easy languages to create the web service, so I select wizard language. Wizard language is a simple language to create the web service, so I choose it. Right click on the project name in the project explorer and select new folder and expand the web service folder. Click on the simple web service option, and the result is show the picture. Like that you will get the service page. And the second step is access the simple web service dialog. First we have to choose the dialog, and the service is access the dialog. So we have to click the next button to proceed, and the result is given below. The simple web service project and the service detail dialogs display the picture. The result is given that show the picture. We have to create the service page and some technology, dynamic web project. Some the names are given that, so we will given the some names you like. I can given the service name hello world, so I give that hello world. And next we have to create the service attributes. Service attribute is nothing but project names and how to create the service and service page number. Like the attributes are given, you want to given some attributes. You can take that attributes from the web service pages. Show the attributes, see the attributes. I can give some attributes for your reference. Refer that. And next we generate the web service. Click the finish button to complete the web service setup, and the result is it will create the web.xml file. Updated in the web.xml option was selected. Finally we got the service page like that. See that it show the some program like that. Package org.jobs samples web service. This coding is about the web service. Now our web service page is ready to the console. Thank you so much.